Have you ever wondered why it is important to follow furniture trends in home decor? Following contemporary furniture styles for home decor offers a range of benefits that can significantly enhance the aesthetics, functionality, and overall atmosphere of a living space. As design trends evolve, contemporary furniture has emerged as a favored choice for many homeowners due to its innovative designs, emphasis on simplicity, and ability to create harmonious environments. Embracing contemporary styles not only reflects modern sensibilities, but also fosters a sense of comfort and well-being in the home. One of the primary advantages of contemporary furniture is its clean lines and minimalist approach. This style often emphasizes simplicity and functionality, resulting in pieces that are both visually appealing and practical. The absence of excessive ornamentation allows for a more streamlined look, making contemporary furniture an excellent choice for those seeking to create a calm and uncluttered environment. This minimalist aesthetic can contribute to a sense of tranquility, reducing visual noise and fostering a more peaceful atmosphere within the home. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor project ideas for profit and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, contemporary furniture is often designed with comfort and usability in mind. Many modern pieces prioritize ergonomic design, ensuring that they not only look good, but also provide a comfortable experience for users. Sofas, chairs, and beds are crafted to support the body effectively, which is essential for promoting relaxation and well-being. This focus on comfort encourages individuals and families to spend more time in their living spaces, enhancing the overall quality of life. The versatility of contemporary furniture styles is another significant benefit. Modern designs can easily adapt to various decor themes and personal styles, making them suitable for a wide range of interiors. Whether a homeowner prefers a minimalist approach, a more eclectic mix, or a sophisticated atmosphere, contemporary furniture can seamlessly integrate into the overall design scheme. This adaptability allows individuals to express their unique tastes while ensuring that their living spaces remain cohesive and visually appealing. Moreover, contemporary furniture often emphasizes the use of high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Many modern pieces are constructed from durable materials such as hardwood, metal, or glass, ensuring longevity and resilience. This commitment to quality means that contemporary furniture can withstand the test of time, making it a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Well-made furniture not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a space, but also provides functional benefits, as it is designed to endure daily use without compromising performance or appearance. The aesthetic appeal of contemporary furniture is enhanced by its ability to create a sense of space and light within a room. Many modern designs incorporate open spaces and airy structures, which can make a room feel larger and more inviting. Furniture that utilizes transparent materials, such as glass tables or acrylic chairs, can create an illusion of openness, allowing light to flow freely throughout the space. This emphasis on lightness contributes to a more uplifting environment, promoting a sense of well-being and comfort. Following contemporary furniture styles also encourages a connection to nature through the use of organic shapes and natural materials. Many modern designs draw inspiration from the natural world, incorporating curves, textures, and colors that resonate with the environment. Furniture made from natural materials, such as wood or stone, can evoke a sense of warmth and harmony, creating a soothing atmosphere in the home. This connection to nature can have a calming effect, fostering relaxation and a deeper appreciation for one's surroundings. Additionally, contemporary furniture styles often prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness. As environmental awareness grows, many designers are incorporating sustainable practices into their work, utilizing reclaimed materials or eco-friendly manufacturing processes. By choosing contemporary furniture that aligns with these values, homeowners can make a positive impact on the environment while enhancing their living spaces. This commitment to sustainability not only reflects personal values, but also contributes to a broader movement toward responsible consumption and living. The ability to customize contemporary furniture is another compelling reason to embrace these styles. Many modern designs allow for personalization through various finishes, colors, and configurations. This flexibility enables homeowners to tailor their furniture to their specific needs and preferences, creating pieces that resonate with their unique lifestyles. Customization fosters a sense of ownership and pride in one's home, as individuals can curate their spaces to reflect their personalities and tastes. Moreover, following contemporary furniture styles can enhance the overall value of a home. Well-chosen modern pieces can serve as focal points that elevate the aesthetic appeal of a space, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Investing in contemporary furniture can not only improve the functionality of a home, but also contribute to its marketability. As trends continue to evolve, modern furniture often retains its appeal, making it a wise choice for homeowners looking to increase the value of their properties. Additionally, the act of selecting and arranging contemporary furniture can be a deeply rewarding and enjoyable process. The opportunity to create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing environment allows individuals to engage with their creativity and express their vision for their home. This process can foster a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction as homeowners see their ideas come to life in their living spaces. The ability to transform a room through thoughtful furniture choices can enhance the overall enjoyment of homeownership. Following contemporary furniture styles can also promote a sense of community and connection. Many modern designs are influenced by cultural trends and artistic movements, encouraging individuals to engage with the broader world of design. This connection to contemporary design can inspire conversations and foster relationships with others who share similar interests. By embracing modern furniture, individuals can participate in a larger dialogue about aesthetics and functionality, enriching their experiences and interactions within their communities. In addition, contemporary furniture often emphasizes multifunctionality, which is particularly advantageous in today's fast-paced world. Many modern pieces are designed to serve multiple purposes, such as sofas that convert into beds or coffee tables with hidden storage. This adaptability is especially valuable for those living in smaller spaces, where maximizing functionality is essential. By choosing contemporary furniture that prioritizes versatility, homeowners can create living areas that are both stylish and practical, accommodating their diverse needs. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked contemporary wood furniture ideas and wood decor project ideas for profit and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.